Hello YouTube, here's the situation. I recently hit 1 million views. 1 million views. I could probably do better than this. I think I know what to do.
Who the hell uses a brake cord for this bullshit? Hello?
Yo, what's up? What are you doing?
Hang on.
Really? Every time I call you, hang on.
Hello? You there?
Yeah, I'm here. What's up?
Nothing. What are you doing?
I'm shooting the 1 million view video.
You're not doing that stupid thing with the candle and the cupcake, are you?
No. That's actually why I'm calling
Oh,
up.
good.
I need you to book reservations for the best restaurant in Buffalo.
Alright. I'll take care of it.
What are you doing over there, Joe? Okay, so here's the situation. We hit 1 million views on the Rick Quadruple Zero channel. So I rounded up all these knuckleheads. We're doing a celebratory dinner at Chef's in Buffalo. So welcome. We'll show you a little glimpse into the 1 million view party.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. What are you doing, Rick? That's a perfect answer.
1 million views. Could you believe it? I remember.
I was promised hookers and blow.
That's 10 million views.
Oh, 10 million.
10 million views.
You gotta wait a couple months.
Yeah, well, you never know. I rember at the end of the 100,000 view video, I said, see it 1 million views. I remember thinking to myself, good luck.
That was like last week.
So, yeah, we're at 1 million. So I guess, 10 million seems insane, but it could happen. Definitely could happen.
So basically, it's a battle.
Well, welcome everybody to the 1 million view party. I'd just like to thank everybody for coming. 1 million. I don't have a speech prepared or anything like that, but thank you all for putting up with my nonsense.
The sound's gonna suck if you don't have mics yet.
There's only like 3 people listening though. So
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. So there is a little bit, I don't know if I call it a surprise, but you guys have all been giving me garbage about not having these. So I went on the old eBay.
GoPros.
Oh snap, you bought them!
Picked up a few. Oh yeah! So for whatever that means, we'll be hooking them up to cars and
I hope they're indestructible.
people and.
Hook it up to Joey's lawnmower.
Really nice.
So we got some GoPros, so we got some cool stuff coming up this summer. So hopefully you guys, subscribe and comment and like the videos.
Ignore the bib.
And bib on. This is the official chef's bib, so you don't get spaghetti sauce all over yourself.
Yeah, we traveled out of town far to get here.
At 2 million subscribers, you're gonna see him shirtless.
Hi, buddy. You going? Say hi to Aunt Michelle. That's a good camera.
Hi.
Hey.
Hi, Jojo. Get everybody?
Go around the whole room.
Drop mine 30 feet.
Atta boy. Slower. Slow.
Slower. And.
Oh,
Steady, right? No plugs, baby girl.
Pay $20 for it.
Down the road and they catch the bear underneath their lips like drag cars. Really? Yep. Once it goes too fast. Yeah.
It's pretty cool.
Get a Premier Dam up front, guys. You gotta arrow those cars up.
Well, that's going to slow down so Sarah can race that.
I'm gonna drive a 4x4.
Talking about the RC cars,
Because it's
so
1/10 scale. If
that
it
might be
didn't do
something
55
you'll
miles
see a little
per
bit
hour,
of coming this summer. Joe and Kevin
I'm gonna slow
got
the
RC cars.
two-wheel
I've been
drive
into
tracks
them
down.
for a long time with Rain.
You start playing with the drones
So
No,
You gotta revamp the track.
You got a drone?
We used to have the track in the woods.
Yeah, but it broke.
yeah,
I do remember that.
That's how it goes.
yeah, you
Back
might
in
see
the
some
day.
RC
Well,
cars
I
this
bought like
summer.
four new jumps.
Well, that's the Million View Party. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you at 10 million views. It's crazy.
Shirtless. Yeah. Shirtless. You said it, man.